welcome back. It's Saturday, May 9th. We have two parts for your workout today. Starting off for part A, we have 5 rounds for max repetitions. We're going to perform 30 seconds of work, followed by 30 seconds of rest. So today, we have 30 seconds of weighted lunges. We can hold weight however we like, and we can add as much weight as we would like in this movement. 30 seconds of rest, and then we have 30 seconds of strict handstand push-ups, followed by 30 seconds of rest. So on those strict handstand push-ups, we're looking for you to get a few repetitions going here. So if you need to scale or modify this movement, make sure you find a modification that works for you to fight for 30 seconds. All right, moving on for part B, we have a workout for time. The repetitions go like this. We have 10, 20, 30, 20, 10, and we will do those repetitions of single arm thrusters and push up to plank pull through. So on the single arm thruster, 10 repetitions means 5 on each arm, or however you'd like to break that up, not 10 on each arm. Reminder that the push up to plank pull through, 1 rep equals a push up, grab an object, pull it to the other side of your body. The second push up with the second pull equals repetition number 2. All right, you guys, good luck on these workouts. We're excited to hear how you did.